Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers. This is LYT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you Google Password Manager of Google Chrome web browser. That means I want to off the Google Chrome web browser password. So for this case I will go to the Google Chrome that I have been pinned in my taskbar here this. So here the three dot icon, click here and here the passwords and autofill. See the Google Password Manager. So click here. So here I will go to the settings option. See here I have on just now it before, so now I want to opt this. So offer to save password and pass keys. The advantage of this facility, multiple users, see, so anyone can access this thing. So for this case I have off these things. See, also sign in automatically, that also been off. See, so in this way we can offer to save password passkey off, as well as Google Password Manager remembers how you signed in and automatically sign you in when possible. So when off, you will be asked for confirmation every time. See, so in this way we can do the solution. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.